Okay, what we have here, what Vermont tastes like. So guys, this is from my new employer for next month. The CEO actually talked to me. He asked me if I have food allergy and I said no, so he sent me this box and we'll see what's in this box. Palagay ko mga dairy products. Wow, what a special VIP. It's insulated, so oh wow, pepperoni, sausage, cheddar, honey, and ham. Look at this. Oh, cheese and ham. Grabe naman sila magpa-welcome. Okay, it looks like it's frozen. It's no baker. No baker. Oh! So we have popcorn. Kettle cooked popcorn. Multigrain. Ano ba yung crackers? What else do we have? Saltine crackers. Yung mga parang pang French, ano? Yung mga kinakain pag nagwa-wine, ano? Oh my god, look! Dalay ko sa work to bukas. I can't eat all of this. No, tomorrow is Thursday still. Bacon Farm, ayan. Ooh, pure maple sugar candy. Okay, yeah. Sausages, chocolate raisins, more sausages, pepperoni, tsaka merong what's this? Naka-delata. What's this? Baka ano? Baka oh, can't open it. There you go. Something like that. Mustard. It's a mustard, honey and spice mustard. It's Bacon Farm, so it's from Vermont. How special. Tapos ano na to? Mga ice. Yeah, malapit na sa kanila. So guys, this is what so this is what I got from the box. Wow. Pang ano? Pang sosyal. It's not a whole lot. Konti lang pala. It's just a box. Vermont High Tech Dennis Jr. That's the name of. Ano pa ba to? Helpful tips. Wala naman sinabi. And this is a box from my school. This is my textbook. My next textbook. Hope people gave you a brand new one. Can't believe 2 more weeks I'm done with this class. Ang init nila. Oh, okay, it's a brand new book. Fire protection and detection. Para pang engineering. What about fire? By the way, I'm taking Masters in Occupational Safety and Health. So this is and then this is my homemade pineapple upside down. Yung box pala ng pineapple upside down, meron na siyang pineapples. I don't know yung the one I sent in the Philippines, pero this one comes with, yeah. No, about the cherries. Pero yung pineapple, meron na siya. Kompleto na siya. Okay, thank you for the gift. And I heard I'll be waiting for a computer on coming soon so I can do